Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So, to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my display. Just make sure that the content you want to capture is visible right now on your screen. From there, all you would need to do is press your power button and volume down at the same time, just a single click of both of these. You have a flash as you just seen, and at the bottom you'll find the edit, tag and share options, and after a moment, as you just witnessed, it will disappear. Now that's one way of capturing your screenshot. There is also another one which is accessible by using the pen. So if I tap on a screen, you'll find that there is an icon that will show up somewhere here. There we go, so it just showed up. You can click on this. Now the first time around it gives you this kind of like info panel, so just kind of get through this. There we go. Enjoy your pen. I would do it better if you didn't actually show this up. Anyway, once you can actually access the panel and its features, you'll see that there is a couple different things, but the one that we're interested in is the Smart Select. When you press on it, it will give you a couple options at the bottom. And just to go over the three of them, for screenshots, we have the box one, which is just a diagonal box that you draw like this, and it just creates an area. So obviously it allows you to capture a specific section of a screen. Then next we have the free select, so you can actually draw a shape that you want to select as a screenshot, and everything outside of that shape will basically be transparent and not captured. Next we have a circular one, so same as the box one, you're just going to draw a diagonal thing and it creates a circle. And then we have things like the screen pin and GIF. So I'm going to actually select the free select one because it's the most interesting one out of all of them. So selecting one of them minimizes this little window right here, and from here we can just start drawing. And as you can see, it captures the screenshot just the way you outlined it. And all the space around here is actually transparent, so if you import it somewhere else, there will not be anything visible here. So just this inside right here will be visible. Now, when you capture any of these, box one, circular one, or the free select one, you always will need to select that you want to download it right here. So once you click on it, it will save it to the gallery. Now, to find these screenshots, all we need to do is find our gallery application, and it will show up under the main gallery right here, but you can also navigate to the albums, which I guess I am already, so okay, that's how it would look. So we can navigate to albums, and here you'll find screenshot album, and in screenshot album you'll find all the screenshots you have captured. And here's the one that I have captured right now, the free select one, and here is the normal screenshot. Now just a little heads up, it looks like there's a little bit of a glitchiness, as you can see, so there's some like weirdness happening right here, and it's not necessarily perfect, so like here. So if you want to capture something a little bit more precise, you might want to actually still use more professional tools than the free select one. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.